Good morning. Hello, 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 hello. Welcome back to another exciting episode. Hands on with BLG. I am BLG. I'm Lefty, and I am Righty. Today, we're going to do, hopefully it's going to thunderstorms. Thunderstorms or something today. I don't know. There's a small chance of it. Yesterday we had thunder, nothing. Lots of thunder. Boom, crash, boom. Partly cloudy skies. Sun's still shining. It was weird. But anyways, today we are going to tackle a competition style pork sirloin boneless pork chop on the grill. Out there with the lump charcoal and everything. So here's what we got, y'all. This is pretty simple. In fact, we're going to use this. This is not what this says it is. This says it's homemade marinara. No, it's not. This is competition style pork rub. It's got 50% and 50% equal parts of brown sugar and white sugar. It's got kosher salt in it, some kosher salt, black pepper in it. It's got chili powder in it, paprika, turmeric, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder in it. And I busted it all up, smashed it around like this, shake it like this, and gets this really nice color in here. I don't know if you can see. Let's have a look. Let's get that real nice color to it. Here we have our right now. We have our chops, our pork sirloin boneless pork chops. Right chop. So what I'm going to do first with these little bad boys, I haven't even warmed up my coffee or nothing yet. Put a little bit of mustard on each one of them here. A little mustard like that. This is going to help the rub stick on the ribs. You're not really going to taste the mustard when it's cooked. You're really not all that much. So I'm going to rub the mustard on. These chops are pretty cold still. They've been in the fridge for 2 days and they still got some ice a little bit on them, but they're going to sit till room temperature anyway. Let this rub work in them. Doesn't got to be beautiful. It's just got to be slathered, baby. Slathered, baby. Yeah, like that there. Mustard on all the sides of the pork chops. Just like so. Now I'm going to rinse my fingers off. Nothing big deal here about this. Now the fun part comes. Oh yeah. We want to let some of this here rub out of this here jar, right, y'all? Swim around on these pork chops. Nice light dusting here. Get it on there pretty decently, but not overdo it. Like that. Just some on this one. See a nice, decent coating. Like this. On this side, like this a little bit on this side, over here. Nice even coating. A little bit right there and a little bit right on the end of this one. There we go. Pat that on here a little bit. Just like this, just a little bit, pat it down. We're going to turn them over. Guess what we're going to do now? That's right, boys and girls. Same damn thing on this side. Dust my fingers off. It's because I don't know why. It feels weird. And Lefty's holding the jar. Dust off on this side. Little dust on. See that little lump there? Don't worry about that. That's just some brown sugar. That brown sugar always has a tendency to re-lump back up on you. Don't worry about that. Just let him sit on the tray. Let him chill out on his own on the tray, eh? You want to smack this around on here like that. Get a little coating on that one, coating on this one. Just like so. Pat him down on here like this. Little pat, 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 pat. Just like that, baby. I'm going to let that sit. Just like so. Yes. And those are going to sit until room temperature. It'll probably be sitting here for, I'd say 45 minutes or so. In the meantime, I'll light Makeup! In the meantime, I'll light the grill and have it getting nice and hot. I don't think I'm going to smoke them or slow cook these. I think I'm just going to grill them. Pretty much just your standard grilling technique. You see me grill the steak, basically the same thing, and we're going to slather it with barbecue sauce and towards the end there, and it's going to be delicious. So we'll see you back here when these are up to room temperature and had time for the dry rub to set in and kind of set on there, and the grill to come up to temperature, and we'll start grilling, baby. There we go, folks. Lump charcoal is fired up. Yes, notice it's only on like half of the grill. And the grate was dirty. Best way to clean the dirty grate, I just tested out that theory this morning. It worked just fine. Take an onion that's getting old on you, kind of turning kind of brown. Cut that onion in half. Don't even need to peel it. Just take that raw part of that onion. Do that. Rub that bad boy across the grill grates, back and forth, back and forth. Cleans that grate right up. It's amazing. Not a hot grate, just cold. I did that before I lit it. So I'll see you guys back here when those coals come up, and we're still waiting for these to come up to room temperature too. And we'll see you in a little bit. Open up. This won't hurt much. Just open your mouth and just kind of relax. That tooth has got to come out. Are we ready for this, folks? The grill is up good. This does not require the thermometer gadget that I've got, because these are just nice thin, you know, like what, half-inch cut? There's no big deal about that. The thermometer thing I use more for like big stuff, briskets and roasts and stuff. See if we can get out the door here. You open the door for me. Well, thank you. Let's go out here and smack these on. Smack these down on the grill. Look at, see, this is what they look like in the daytime. Grill. Lump charcoal. Good stuff. Take these. Smack him on here. Take that. Like so. Smack him on here. One of these. Smack him on here. That. One of these here. Smack him on here. About like that. Start them on hot. Okay, now I'm going to let them sit there for a minute. I'm going to run in and I'm going to rinse the wash the kitchen tray. That tray right there. I'm going to wash that tray. Be right back. Okay, it's been probably about 7-8 minutes. Turn these bad boys over. Flip them. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Flip that one. Flip this one. Flip them, flip them. Look at that color. Flip that one. Let me even move that one out just a touch. About like that. Look at that. Now I'm going to slather these with that barbecue sauce on this side. Slather them up, and then let them sit for a little bit more on the other side, and flip them and slather them again. It's time to slather. You know how to slather barbecue sauce. You've seen me slather before. I'll be right back when these bad boys come off the grill. Slathered on both sides. Ladies and gentlemen, we're back. Just took the ribs or the pork chops off of the grill. Pork sirloin, boneless pork chops. They came out awesome. I sampled. And here's what the result is. Look at these beautiful bad boys. You serve these up with some potato wedges. Folks, you got you something. Look at that. Beautiful color, pork chops, potato wedges. Yes. Fun to make. Fun to make. The seasonings, you just kind of add them until it's to your taste, what you like to add. But always start with the 50-50 of the white sugar and the brown sugar. The rest of it, just kind of tinker with it. Tablespoon here, tablespoon there, 2 tablespoons, whichever, you know. Make up however much you want. That's why I didn't say how much of which, because you make however much you want. But anyways, hope you like this episode. If you do, hit that little like button for me right down there. And subscribe right there. And ring the little bell if you want. Lets you know when I'm back off of the leash. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this episode. It's a blaring 7:12 in the morning and my supper is done. I made, the tater wedges I didn't show you. You can already look that up. I've showed you already. Same thing. I made Arby's beef and cheddar, roast beef and cheddar sandwiches yesterday. I had that for supper last night and bar snack, and I'm going to have it for bar snack today and probably bar snack tomorrow. They're awesome. You can look them up too. They're back there a ways, but they are there. I'll show you how to make those. Anyways, I appreciate all the new subscribers. I believe I'm up to 36 now. Ooh, fancy me, fancy me. The Florida Fat Man's getting there slowly, inch at a time. Share these videos. Spread these videos out. If you see a video you like, share it with everybody you know. It really helps me out. So, anyways, have a good day. We'll see you guys back here next exciting episode of Hands On with BLG. For Hands On with BLG, for BLG, I am BLG. I'm Lefty, and I am Righty. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Hands On with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands On with BLG. Stick around.